How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to a new video. My name is John. I'm here today with Patrick Mini, part of the Patrick Dealer Group in Schaumburg, Illinois, and we have another exciting video for you today because I've got a 2025 Mini Cooper 4-door JCW style pack here, and we're going to talk about what makes Minis so special. Alright, so what makes a Mini Cooper so special? Well, the first thing is that these cars have a very storied history. I broke it down a lot more in our 2025 Mini Cooper S video. If you want to watch that one, you can click on the link above there. That video has gotten a lot of views. We're really happy about that one. But to break it down a little bit easier for you, these cars have about 50 years worth of history, and they really haven't strayed too far from the original design philosophy of the Cooper. You have this unbelievably iconic design. Now, of course, you've got the round headlights, you've got the big grille up front, the flat roof, and then a lot of space inside from a small package on the outside. That is really the kind of core philosophy of these Mini Coopers. They're relatively light, especially in today's terms, and they are still small. I know, of course, these cars just keep getting bigger and bigger, but compared to a lot of cars on the road, this is still a very small car, but it packs a big punch. Next reason why I think these cars are so special has got to be the handling. These things are absolutely unbelievable on the road. Yes, they don't have a ton of power. These cars were never meant to be fast. They are meant to go around corners quickly, not go in a straight line. And this car really does handle like a go-kart. That's why inside you have go-kart mode instead of sport mode. These things are so tossable, they're so nimble. You turn the wheel, car's immediately going that way before you even thought about it. You feel every bit of what the car's doing and it responds to you immediately. It just really feels like a dream going around corners in these cars. It's just so fun. Get this car out on a twisty road, you're gonna have an absolute blast. And for the price, it's really hard to beat. And next thing is that everyone who buys a Mini ends up making it their own in some way. Now, with these 2025 family of vehicles, Mini has just started to roll out accessories like in the previous generations, things like the different colored mirror caps and things. They've started a little bit. If you notice, this one has kind of a two-tone gradient roof on it. They're getting into that a little bit more with the customization options. I always love seeing all the Minis come in at the dealership with the checkered flag mirrors and roofs and decals on them. I love when owners take ownership of their car and truly make it one of a kind, make it feel special to them, and then they just grow a stronger and stronger connection with their car. And I think that that is just such a great thing about the Mini brand, being able to take a car off the showroom, off the inventory lot, and transform it into something that is truly unique and truly special to the owner. I absolutely love that fact, and I can't wait to see what people do with these new generations of vehicles. Going along with the customization aspects of these cars brings along with it a Mini family. Once you're driving one of these cars, you are going to get thumbs up from other Mini drivers. You are going to see them dotted around at grocery stores and things like that. You're going to want to park next to that other Mini Cooper. You just have this kind of other bond with people on the road that know, hey, yeah, you're driving something special. So it's nice to have a little community behind you with the owners of these cars. Always nice other people kind of got your back on the road. They see what you see, and they're here to have some fun too. And then my last reason has got to be the fact that you get such a premium feel in a car that doesn't cost all that much, or at least doesn't cost as much as it should for how much you get. This car has a lot of options on it. It's an iconic trim. It's got the JCW style pack. It is a 4-door model. It's stickered at about $40,000, but even then, you get a ton of features that were completely unknown to Mini drivers from the past. And it's really incredible how luxurious they made the interior feel. Of course, it's still very Mini. You have kind of cloth seats, cloth textures all around. You have your big kind of circular OLED LED screen in the center, but it's still going to give you a premium ownership experience for not all that much money. They did a fantastic job of putting the price just where it needs to be, where it's not overly expensive, but you also get a lot of really good stuff into it too, all while maintaining a very reasonable price point. So ultimately, what makes these cars so special is a combination of all those things. You have an amazing powertrain and transmission. You got the best handling in the world. You have a super practical interior where you can actually store a lot more stuff than you think. You have a whole bunch of new tech features for these new 2025 models. You can customize these cars to look however you want. If you want stripes down the hood, you want checkerboard mirrors and a plaid roof, you can do whatever you want. Paint the thing lime green, it's gonna look awesome. And then you have an incredible community of Mini owners that absolutely love their cars. They're never gonna own anything but a Mini, and you're gonna join that family and absolutely love it too, giving thumbs up to people on the road. It's just an all-around great time, and just look at this car. It just makes you happy. So, thank you all so much for watching. watching. Make sure to leave a like and a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on what you think about the 2025 Mini Cooper. As always, if you need any parts, service, or sales, make sure to reach out to Patrick Mini. We'll be happy to help you. The number is down below here. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.